So here is all the part for the engine and ready to install. Brand new everything. That piston ring set uplifter. That the main crankshaft bearing. That the fuel pump. That the brake master cylinder. Brand set up piston and brand new rod bearing. The head resurfaced and the valve ship were grinded and polished. Look at how beautiful the head look. Brand new black plug, new starter, oil pump, new alternator, switch, light switch, master engine kit rebuild, gasket set. So they ready to go, folks. Inside the 302 is a 5.0 from 1969 Mustang GT.